Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to design a low poly keyboard for your designs, quickly and easily. First, let's form the base of the keyboard. We go where it says Object. Apply and then Scale. This will help us so that the edges are symmetrical and do not deform due to the extractions we made in the base. Then we press Shift+D to make a copy of this part of the plane, then we press P and Selection to separate the plane from the base. We are going to scale the plane to give it a certain size. Then we give it a thickness. With the letter I, we are going to form a smaller rectangle to give it the border for the keys. Then we are going to make a copy of the small rectangle we made. Then we will separate the copy from the rectangle and we are going to focus only on that. Then with Ctrl+R, we divide the plane into small squares. To make the spacebar, we will delete two lines, applying Dissolve Edges. We select everything, we go to Mesh, Split and Faces by Edges. Then we press the letter P and place by loose parts. We exit editing mode and return again. We select everything and place individual origins. We extrude the keys to give it shape. We add a bevel modifier to give it soft edges. That small difference that we made with the small rectangle, we are going to extrude it. Then we will eliminate that line in the middle, with Alt plus left click. We go to Objects, Apply and Scale. We select the edges, Ctrl+B and smooth it. We add a small inclination to the lower base. We select the keys and the upper base and give it a slope, placing it symmetrical to the lower base. We add texture to the base. Now we will separate the keys to add texture to each one, according to our tastes, To do this, we go to editing mode and select only one face of the key that we want to grab. Then we press the L key and press the P key, we place selection, and that's it, we separate a key that we want to color. We do the same for the other keys. Finally, we eliminate the extra keys. And that would be all. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to bring more content to the channel. Until next time.